Anin Boujou. Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, and we will start as we normally do with the COVID updates for the county. Aiken County, yesterday, 1,130, and today, 1,130. Crow Wing, yesterday, 4,964, and today, 4,967. Mille County, yesterday, 2,183, and today, 2,184. Pine County, yesterday, 2,733, and today, 2,733. So as you can see that Aiken County and Pine County had no increases. So that's pretty interesting. Happy to see that. Yesterday, we had a couple of counties that had no change as well. On the reservation, there are no changes as well. District 1 and District 2A, yesterday was 105, and today is 105 as well. District 2, 10, no change. In District 3, 35, no change. So that's good news across the board that maybe we're starting to see this get changed in a positive way and try to keep as many people as possible from contacting this disease. So February is American Heart Month. And so the movement is that on February 5th, and that is Friday, they ask that you wear red and take a selfie and post it on the Facebook. And that is with Colleen McKinley at hhs.millaxband/ or hyphen, I guess, nsn.gov. And that will be on the Facebook post, so you can get the correct Facebook. So that should be fun to see who's going to be wearing red. And it's and the month is want everybody to be aware of what does heart healthy mean in terms of food and exercise and things of that sort. So if you're interested, please wear red on the 5th so we can recognize American Heart Month. Thank you to the Health and Human Services for sending us a note on that. Again, the February Elder Food Distribution is coming up next week on Wednesday, February 10th from 1 to 3 p.m. District 1 and District 2A, Grand Casino Mille Lacs, south side of Convention Center, District 2 in the Community Center, and District 3, Grand Northern Inn, Hinckley parking lot. Thursday, February 11th from 1 to 3 is the Urban Office. And if you are interested in learning a new trade, there is training opportunity for band members. And this is a program sponsored through the Cement Masons, Plaster and Shop Hands. And that's a local 633 Journeyman and Apprentice Training Trust Fund and the Minnesota Department of Transportation. They are the ones that are sponsoring this. It's 11-week Cement Masons trade orientation training. And the goal is to train American Indians from any of the tribal nations in the cement mason trade. And then you can apply for and get qualified after the 11 weeks for apprenticeship with the union and work on MnDOT projects. And so, of course, this program is funded through a grant from the Minnesota Department of Transportation. And as band members, the cost of you attending this program is included in the grant. And you will learn, of course, on the job technical training, and it's heavy highway industry, tool introduction, construction math, chemistry of concrete, layout, set up concrete repairs, work ethics, safety, and then you will receive your certification. The program includes a hotel room during the course and a weekly stipend Plus, upon completion of the course, you will receive all the tools that you need to start in this field. So if you're interested, please contact Lori Trail, and she is the Tribal Employment Rights Director, and that office number is 320-532-7448. And the numbers will be on the website as well. Today was the band assembly meeting, and a couple of items of interest. A bill was introduced and signed last week, and that was Band Assembly Bill 190322-21. And this was the Mille Band of Ojibwe Foundation. And I had looked at the bill and decided to veto the bill. And today was the compromise hearing. And so I'm happy to say that we discussed what my concerns were. And that was a couple of items was the sunset clause. Should it be included in the bill or not? And also based on the principles of the division of powers, what role the chief executive plays in that. And I'm happy to say that we did agree, and a new bill will be sent to me to be signed into law. And one of the things I did want to talk about that a little bit is that it's really refreshing to be able to have these discussions with the current members on the band assembly. It's a very respectful and good meetings when we sit together and we do come up with our positions and why, and we justify how we want to vote. And at the end of the day, at the end of the meeting, we usually come up with a good agreement or compromise that we can all move forward to. So I really appreciate the band assembly members and their willingness to stand by their decisions, and also to compromise or make things better as we're moving forward. And again, kudos to our Secretary Sheldon Boyd. He runs a very good meeting, and it's very professional. So if you have the opportunity to join one of the band assembly meetings, I would like to invite you to do that, and you can see how business is done on your behalf through the legislative branch. And I'm very pleased with what a good working relationship and how they want all the data presented before they make a decision. Another item on the band assembly agenda through what is called the joint session of the band assembly is that the District 2 rep submitted names for the Tarot board, and so that position was filled. So with that, I hear there's a big storm coming up, so please, hopefully you get prepared for that. And with that, have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.